I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna croissant. First, we'll gather all the necessary ingredients. Then, I'll guide you through preparing a flavorful tuna salad. After that, we'll assemble the croissants, creating a perfect, easy meal. Finally, you'll have a wonderful tuna croissant ready to enjoy. Let's begin by preparing the star of our croissant, the tuna salad. First, drain 1 can of tuna very well to ensure a good texture. Next, in a small bowl, combine the drained tuna with 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery for a delightful crunch. Finally, season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika to taste. Now that our tuna salad is ready, let's assemble the croissants. Choose 2 fresh, flaky croissants for the best experience. Carefully slice each croissant horizontally, making sure not to cut all the way through. Then, generously spoon the prepared tuna salad mixture into the center of each croissant. For an extra touch, you can add a crisp lettuce leaf or a thin tomato slice. Your delicious tuna croissants are now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately for the freshest taste. They pair wonderfully with a light side salad or a warm cup of soup for a complete meal. If you have any leftover tuna salad, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 2 days, perfect for another quick snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.